Good morning mga bakasyonistas! Today, I will bring you to my car's LTO renewal. I'm on my way now to Talisay since dito man nakaregister si Bless. By the way, meet Bless, short of blessing. That's her name because she's a blessing to us. I opted not to hire someone to do it for me because I want to know the processes and I know it's quite costly in my part if I will let someone or a fixer do it since mahal-mahal jud ilahang pangayo. In this vlog, I will let you know how much does it cost if you will be the one doing it. Makasave jud ka, promise. Of course, it's bawal bayapod magpa-fixer pursuant to Republic Act number 9485 or the Anti-Red Tape Act of 2007. As a return for the safe and sound travels na mo ni Bless, I want to do it myself for her. Last 2 weeks, I went to an emission testing center para magpa-test and magpa-stencil daan. It took about 30 minutes for all the processes, and it cost me 650 both emission test and stencil of the engine and the chassis numbers. Hi everyone! So finally, nahuman na gyud no ang koan pa-emission testing plus pa-stencil kay maon siya gamiton for kanang renewal. So later on or maybe the following day or before ma-expire ang ako ang unsay tawag ani registration, I will walk you through the process para makahibaw mo unsa di ay ang mga pasikot-sikot karon nga new normal. I think mao ra man siguro gihapon na like gamay changes when it comes to the protocols, but then let's see, because this is also my first time. While na ako spare time ako anang buhaton because I wanna do it on my own. I wanna know what is the process para kabahon sa mga pasikot-sikot and then di masagay ko tantong busy, so dalhon ta mo sa akong pagpa-renew sa ni Blessed. So mauna siya now and join me pohon before ma-expire ang registration. Muna akong plan. So, keep watching. I went to Cebuana across LTO Talisay for an affordable CPTL insurance. Even if I already have the comprehensive insurance, yet I still have to get the compulsory third-party liability insurance because this is part of LTO's requirements and it only cost me 610 in Cebuana. I have no choice but to cross these wide pedestrian lanes where motorists doesn't even recognize it. Dili kay ba mutunob sa ilang mga brakes or they don't even respect the pedestrian. Labang jud ta sa saktong pedestrian lanes para if maligsan ta kay di sila kay ba muhunong, at least sure ta sakto ta gilabongan. Upon arriving in LTO Talisay, you will need to fill out these forms. Cut the stencils of both engine and chassis numbers and tape it in the forms. Give it to the staff for vehicle inspection. They will check both the signal lights, the horn, wipers, and the emergency hazard sign. Afterwards, I went inside the office. I was given a priority number, then I waited for my turn to be called for the cashier's payment. I paid 2,479 only. As you can see, mingaw kaayo basta hapon na. Perfect timing, right? And Viola, I have my newly renewed OR na. Always make sure you photocopy the original OR and CR and put that inside your car. Overall, I only spent 3,739 pesos for both emission and stencil, CTPL insurance, and renewal, and spent an hour in LTO Talisay City. Thank you so much for the fast transaction. Finally, I am going home now. It took me only 1 to 2 hours, I think. Kay niadto kog Cebuana and then ibalik ko, nagpa-inspection ko sa sakyanan. Afterwards, nilinya ako. As you can see, basta hapon nawa na kay daghan taon, no? Mo gyud ang ako ang target per me. Like, maabot baron ko og 3 or like 4, karon 4 na ako nakasulod. And then thanks God dili offline, because kung offline pabalik ko yung kaugma, then akong giingnan nga dili lang kay koan kanang na okay lang appointment tomorrow, so Mo na siya nung tana ko sa security guard ano siya. Basta hapon na wala na daw kuno kayo itawo. Sa dali agad kaayo magpa-register as in. So ako lang mga kuanan ba like my friends mag-hire sila o ganang fixers na someone will do the task, the job for them, and then they will spend a lot of money. Why not do it for yourself? I asked them. Then sila, ay kapoy hassle daghan og kuti-kuti, but for me murag normal raman kaayo gyud ang process. Like it's just the same with other government agencies na mulinya ka kung wait taw ay linya ay nana then mubayad ka sa fees. So overall ang akong nabayaran diri sa akong registration is just 2,479.06. So this is good for 1 year. Yes, and next year na pod pohon. So ana lang kaysa mubayad ko, I've learned nga ang katong isa ka nako ka friend nagbayad siya like around 4,000 to 5,000 iyang nabayaran for the renewal. Ano ko kamahal ba ana? Uy, I can't afford it. I mean, I can do it myself, and kaba ko ganahan jud kaayo ko makat-on because you know pila raman taon na you spend 1 to 2 hours na mag kuan sa anyways lain man tao ganang preferred, but for me kay ako practical man jud ko and I don't want to rely on people especially for this one because ganahan jud ko na makat-on, ganahan ko makaibaw sa process, ganahan ko maka-find out sa akong mga pangutana sa akong behind my head na ngano man ang uban magpa-fixer man ngano man di sila mismo ang mobuhat. It's just the same as doing it kung magpa-renew ka og passport sa DFA, diba, na kanilang okay lang kay wala may pictures imong naong, pero kaniban like the process itself is just so smooth, dali ra kaayo noon. I can do it for myself and I can do it for blessed. So thanks God, it's just a smooth process, promise. So for those, let us avoid fixers. Let's do the transactions by ourselves because mas nindot man yun na ang natin hibaw ano. Maura to siya akong chika. And I'll go home now. Thank you, Lord. This is such a productive day. Thanks, God. Mwah. Thank you for watching. Please renew your car registration by yourself. Do not hire someone to do it for you because you will be very, very, very proud of yourself na, uy, ako mismo ang nag-renew sa akong car registration sa LTO. Adyo ko nang hire. Ano lang, simple as that. If you have ample time as well, for those also that don't have kanang luxury of time, then bahala na mo. Basta ni chika lang ko na mao-dyo ni siya process. Thank you so much. Mwah.
Thank you so much for watching. This is Dawna Bakacionista, now signing off.